description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today's episode's subject matter comes by way of Noodle Journey. Go check out his YouTube channel, Noodle Journey. This guy likes noodles a lot. And this is Marutai Hiyashi Chuka Soba. Cold noodle, sweet, vinegary, usually. From Japan. And we got 2 dry sachets. I don't know how I feel about that. We'll find out. Here's our noodle block, and it goes for 4 minutes. And our little robot vacuum is doing great things in the house. That's what that machiny sound in the background is. Please excuse the noisiness, but it's kind of a thing. So yeah, it's still Valentine's Day, and it was funny. So I was like, hey guys, did you get the bus driver anything for Valentine's Day? They're like, oh, no, we didn't. I'm like, I got you covered. So I gave my daughter a pack of Chinese mutton flavored instant noodles, and I gave my son a pack of pike ramen. Reviewed both of those a while back, maybe like last week. But he's Korean, so he's like, oh, Picchongwon, very famous, yes. So he's like Gordon Ramsay of South Korea. I'm like, okay, cool. That's what I thought. You know, for ones that have celebrities on them, I got to do a little bit of research. Dude, he's famous. Do your research. Yeah. So it's Friday. So this is the last review of the week, and this is going to be when it comes out. I just posted one today. That was what? 5106. 5105? And the next one, this one here will be review 5275. It's crazy. So I'm 170 reviews ahead. It's February 14th, and 5106 was a review I did in September of last year. That's how far I'm like almost 6 months ahead, which is a great spot to be in. So I am going to shut down the mountain. We are going to put the blast doors in place, and I am going to take a vacation from reviewing, which you won't notice because I'm that far ahead. When I do go back to reviewing, it'll be real easy to figure that out. Oh no, I just realized something. It doesn't matter. But I don't know, maybe I won't be taking a break from reviewing. Next week is midwinter break for the kids, so they're going to be home all week. But we'll see. I'm gonna have like a ton of unboxings to do next week. I got one with Indonesian products. I got another box from Japan. I've got a really nice box from Australia on its way, and I've got another box with new product from Singapore. So that's 4 boxes of noodles. And what's nice is I'm running pretty low currently, but that's good because I don't have to have like a bunch of boxes in the middle of the living room and I have nowhere to put them. So that's good. But yeah, I'm stoked. Things are rolling along very nicely in that department. But yeah, next week is midwinter break, and the temperatures are going to be coming up. It's going to be nice out, so maybe I'll drag them around in the rain. I don't want to go out in the rain. Papa, Miles pushed me. Mimi, stop sitting on my laptop. Yeah, it's going to be like that. I don't know though. I'm starting to learn the fine art of bribery a little better, and when you bribe your children, you get what you want. If you're lucky. Oh, I didn't open this one. I am 99.99% sure that this sachet has sesame seeds in it. Am I right? Hey, look at me with my face secured to the front of my head. I am correct. Alright, so let's rinse, cold water drain. That's what we do here. You gotta do the cold noodle. It makes the noodle cold. I'll do a little more. I like them to be like as cold as possible. This time of year is great because the water that comes out of the faucet is really cold because it's been cold. So when you take an instant noodle and you run cold water, it gets very, very, it kind of stiffens up. It stops gorging on liquid and it gets kind of hard. It's nice. So it adds a little chewiness to it. This is a Marutai one. I've had a Maruchan, but never a Marutai of this. And I had a Rao cold noodle, Rao, recently. But yeah, usually I like to use tomato and cucumber. I'll usually just get those two things. I'll use my handy slicer and slice it handily. Then it wants you to add 60 mils of cold water. So there's that. I don't know that I've ever... Oh, yeah, I have. I think that Maruchan one must have been. But the idea of having a cold noodle variety whose stuff is powder is, to me, very odd. It really needs to be liquid, I think. But we are reconstituting powder into a liquid. My wife's already asking me what I want to do for my birthday. I know what I want to do. Two things. One that would be really cool would be to go to Canada. I miss Canada a lot. But I know that's expensive. She'll have just had her knee surgery, so that's probably out. The other one is I want to go to the new TNT market over in Bellevue. That's what I want to do. Now I get a bunch of noodles. I think. I don't know. It depends on what they got. Good chance that they don't have anything that I haven't tried. Alright. Cold noodle. Let's try it. Mustardy, slightly, not really vinegary, smoky. I'm getting smokiness out of this. Is it great? Eh, it's not bad. I really like the noodle. And the heck with it. I'm just gonna go. Oh crap. Okay. We're just gonna dump this on in. Oh, but I don't want to lose this stuff. There's plenty of it in there, dude. It's just sesame seed and a little bit of seaweed. I don't think it's going to enhance the flavor much at all, but I will give it a try. A little bump in the texture. Nothing wrong with that. So, I did mention I do have some turkey lunch meat. I think I mentioned that like 2 episodes ago, so if you missed that, that's perfectly fine. That's good turkey. I'm gonna throw some scallion right here. Fish cake, and finally an egg. Oh, and this is a really goopy egg. I can tell already. It's soft as all get out. Just don't. Come on, behave. You're really expensive eggs. Behave. That's good. Bye-bye, soy sauce marinade. You served me well. Ooh, I gotta get moving. There's a little bit of the bits, the garnish, so I am going to go like this. That worked out. A little extra seed won't hurt. Wow, Rosie, you're really vacuuming it up like crazy today. That's we named her Rosie because of the Jetsons. Yeah. Yeah. We'll do a little bit of chili crisp. I'm going to use the Momofuku. I try to alternate with all these. So we'll add a little extra element. A little more oiliness. And there we are. All right. There we go. Rotato. Do your thing. I think I'm going to add one other thing on here. Something that I really don't usually add.
I think it'll give it some pizzazz. A little chili oil.
Alright, well hey, thank you for watching. Happy Valentine's Day or whatever day's coming for you. It's June for you, so yeah, you got 4th of July next. Maybe a birthday party. Maybe something crazy. Maybe you won the lottery. Enjoy your noodles each and every day. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you happiness and joy. Have a good one. Bye-bye.